The continuation of question answer discussion of electricity lesson. In page number 216, the first question is judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. 1 ohm, 10 to the power 6 ohm, that is first bit. Second bit is 1 ohm, 10 raised 3 ohm, and 10 raised to 6 ohm. What is the first bit answer? Judge the equivalent resistance means you have to say it approximately, no need to do any calculation. Here the values are the first bit 1 ohm and 10 raised 6 ohm, and when they are connected in parallel, do you remember in parallel combination I told you, if resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance will be, equivalent resistance will be smaller than the smallest.
It will be less than 1 ohm.
Yeah, that is answer. It will be less than 1 ohm, because if resistors are connected in parallel, the effective resistance will be smaller than the smallest. So in this 1 ohm and 10 raised 6 ohm, 1 million ohm and 1 ohm connected in parallel, total effective resistance will be less than 1 ohm. So your answer should be less than 1 ohm. It will come 0.99 when you do the calculation. Second bit 1 ohm, 10 raised 3 ohm means 1000 ohm, and 10 raised 6 ohm means 1 million ohm. This 1 ohm, 1000 and 1 million ohm are connected in parallel. What will be the effective resistance? If any number of resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance will be, effective resistance will be smaller than the smallest in the combination. So here when 1 ohm, 1000 ohm and 1 million ohm are connected in parallel, which is the smallest in this? Less than 1 will be the effective resistance.
Yes.
Both the answers are less than 1 ohm. This is an important question. See the same question without any change in the values. The same question came many times in board paper. An electric lamp of resistance 100 ohm, that we can take as R1 is equal to 100 ohm. Then a toaster of resistance 50 ohm, that we can take R2 as 50 ohm. Water filter of resistance 500 ohm, will take R3. R3 is equal to 500 ohm, are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. Potential difference is given V is equal to 220. Are connected in parallel to 220 volt supply. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all the three appliances? And what is the current through it? An electric lamp and toaster and a water filter, they are connected in a circuit 220 volt supply in parallel. Then question is, what should be the resistance of an iron box? It will take the same current as all these three appliances. And what is the current also? What is the resistance of an iron box? That will take the same current as all these three appliances. It is an indirect question. Can you tell what is the actual meaning of the question? Between these 2 points we are providing 220 volt supply, and these are the three resistors. R1, suppose it is the lamp, this is the toaster, and this is the water filter, R3. Now if you replace all these three by an iron box, and it is given 220 volt supply, so a current I will be flowing here. The main branch, there will be a current I flowing. Now if you replace all these three by an iron box, suppose I am replacing that by an iron box, suppose this is the iron box, and in this iron box there is an heating element inside that has some resistance. So if I replace all the three devices by this single iron box and giving the same potential difference here, that is 220 volt, 220 volt, what is the resistance of this iron box? So that the current is same, means the current flowing here, this branch, and current flowing here should be same, potential is same. So what is the condition for that? To get the current same, if potential is same, we should get this effective resistance equal to the resistance of this one, correct? Means the resistance of the iron box should be equal to the effective resistance of all these three. The resistance of this iron box is equal to effective resistance of all these three, then these two current will be same, isn't it? So the question is indirectly asking to find out the resistance of these three in parallel combination. When you find the resistance of the three in parallel combination, and if that value is used in an iron box, then iron box will take the same current as all these three. Got the point?
Yes.
It is indirectly asking to find out the resistance of all these three in parallel combination. And if that equivalent resistance, with that equivalent resistance, if you make an iron box, and the iron box will take the current equivalent to this all three devices. So we have to find out the RP value. And which equation we have to apply here?
Sir, 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1
Okay,
plus
start
1 by
doing 1 by
R2.
R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. To the values of R1, R2, R3. 1 by RP is equal to R1 is the resistance of the lamp, it is 100 ohm, plus R2 is 50 ohm, plus R3 is 500 ohm. You can take 500 LCM. 1 by RP is equal to, if I take 500 LCM, numerator 500 by 100 will be 5, plus 500 by 50 will be 10, plus 1, 16 by 500. That is 1 by RP. We need to find RP. This is 1 by RP. We need to find the equivalent resistance RP. RP equal to how much? 500 by 16.
31.25.
31.25 ohm. Now listen here. So if you make an iron box with this resistance value 31.25 ohm, if this coil of the iron box is having resistance equal to 31.25 ohm, then this single iron box will take the same current as these three devices. Together three devices, how much current they take? The same current will be taken by a single iron box. Got it? And what is that current value? I is equal to, so here I is equal to V by RP we have to take. The resultant equivalent resistance we have to take. V is 220, RP value is 31.25, 7.04 ampere. Means the current taken by the single iron box will be 7.04 ampere, and all these three together in the main line also will be 7.04 ampere. This current will be 7.04 ampere. Current taken here also will be 7.04 ampere, because the resistance of all these three together is equivalent to resistance of this single iron box. Finished?